The Israeli authorities have allowed the remains of 2 more Palestinians whom were killed by the Israeli army to be delivered to their families. The bodies have been kept in unmarked graves for a long time. Tel Aviv initially refused to return the bodies of Palestinians back to their loved ones. However, after a 6-year campaign, a High Court ruling forced them to return over 104 bodies to Palestine. The Palestinian Authority announced that 2 more bodies will be returned to their families following DNA testing to prove their identity. On Monday, thousands attended the funeral of Palestinian martyr Majd Abd al-Jawad Khanfar in Silwat al-Tahir village south of Jenin. Majd was killed by Israeli forces in 2002, and then his remains have been held in an unmarked cemetery in Israel.
Have been withheld by Israel in cemeteries known as cemeteries of numbers. Those cemeteries are inhumane. They are unconditionally bad. They do not serve humans, and they do not respect the dignity of the dead.
Helmi Oraj from the Freedom Foundation explained the Israelis claimed they returned the bodies as a goodwill gesture towards the negotiations. However, the case was taken to the High Court, where the court ruled that all bodies must be returned to the Palestinian territories.
The only reason for them releasing the bodies of the martyrs now is because of the large campaigns and their clear violation of international law. Israel breaks the law on a daily basis and has no respect for religious rules to bury the dead immediately.
94 bodies of Palestinian victims who have been killed by the Israelis have so far been returned since the beginning of the campaign. However, the coordinators say there are still hundreds being held in numbered graves and without DNA testing. Rights groups claim that Israel holding Palestinian bodies is illegal under international law. They believe that the Israeli handover of the Palestinian bodies is a strategic move that many would consider a goodwill gesture towards the so-called peace process. Nelban for Press TV, occupied Ramallah.